Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss the uses of acids. And first we will discuss the uses of hydrochloric acid in detail. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning rust from the surface of metals. Most of the machinery that is used in the industry is made up of metal and it often gets rusted. Rust is removed with the help of hydrochloric acid so that it become clear, and then it is painted so that machinery can work for a long time. Hydrochloric acid is used for the purification of salt. Salt that is obtained from the mine is impure salt and it is purified with the help of hydrochloric acid to use at homes. Hydrochloric acid is used in the preparation of aqua regia. Aqua regia is a solvent that is prepared by mixing 3 volume of hydrochloric acid and 1 volume of nitric acid. And it is able to dissolve noble metals like gold, platinum that are not normally dissolved in other solvents. They can only be dissolved in the aqua regia. You can see that gold is being dissolved in aqua regia. Otherwise gold cannot dissolve. Hydrochloric acid can also be used to convert starch into glucose. Chloric acid is also present in the stomach, gastric juice of the stomach, where it acts as an antiseptic to kill the germs that are present in the food, and it also helps in the digestion of protein. Next we have to discuss the uses of nitric acid. Nitric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium nitrate. Fertilizers are the chemical compounds that are added in the soil to increase the productivity of the crop so that we can obtain a large amount of crop from the small fields. This is the plant where ammonium nitrate is being prepared with the help of nitric acid. Nitric acid is used in the preparation of explosives. Explosives are prepared with the help of nitric acid. Nitric acid is also used to prepare dyes, to dye the cloths, plastic. With the help of plastic, various items are made. Nitric acid is used to prepare artificial silk. Artificial silk is different from the natural silk that is prepared by the silkworm. For etching design on the metals and alloys like brass and bronze. Brass and bronze are not metal, they are alloys. Alloy are the mixture of two or more than two metals. Thank you.